Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Griffin, and this is Griffin Projects, day number 7 of Vlogmas. I think it's 7. Yeah, it is. Okay. Turns out editing videos and getting them out, I have not had a lot of sleep. Not gonna lie about that. I'm just crushing it here. I know some of the videos are coming out a little late. That's okay. I'm totally fine with that as long as I filmed them on the appropriate day. You know, it's kind of like a weird semantic thing, but it's making me feel a little bit better about getting them out a little late. Turns out I'm really rusty, and I switched from Premiere to DaVinci Resolve, and at any rate. So this morning, what I'm doing is I'm just doing my normal computer mumbo jumbo. Really exciting stuff, checking emails, checking systems. But actually the fun part of today is looking at, hold on one second, I'm gonna show you right here. I've been looking at this bad boy. And this is the Harbor Freight 30-inch service cart with drawer, comma, green. Now this thing was just on sale a couple weeks ago for $110, so it's now $20 more, which makes me want to buy it less. At any rate, I have gift cards, so I'm not technically buying it, so I think that's okay. But because this now is no longer on sale, I've been thinking to myself, what other carts are out there? Well, turns out there's this guy at Northern Tool, which granted is in the suburbs. I'd have to drive a little bit farther, but it's the same price. The only difference is a top that slides open, like on those drawer slides, and then it has 2 drawers as opposed to just the one bigger drawer. And then you can kind of see on the top, there's an opening at the top. Let's see if I can open this picture. Oh, there we go. You see it right there? It's like we're standing in front of it. But no, seriously, I think this one, I'm leaning towards this one. They are literally the exact same price. Let's go look at this. Can we get a bigger photo? Yes, we can. You know, I like the color. You see right here, the depth of this area is like an inch or so smaller than like right here, from the back to the front. So I do think that kind of matters. Now, I think the quality of them, you know, probably about the same. At any rate, I don't know which one to get. Basically, what's happening at the shop, especially since I expanded, tools are on every flat surface, and unfortunately, there's not even enough flat surfaces, so a lot of things get put on the floor, especially while I'm assembling something. I'm like, oh, let me put this here, or let me put this there, or put it in my pockets. Like, my pockets have, you know, the pencils, the square, the DFM square, a punch, all the things, you know, that you would need to make. So yeah, I know I need to start wearing an apron. That's one big thing that I think would be an improvement as far as like things that I carry around with me. But when I'm like assembling something, I think I could use the cart. I actually think I need a cart at the CNC too, because if you have a CNC, I mean, first world problems here for the shop for sure, but basically, once you get a CNC, you got bits galore, you got wrenches, you got squares, you got, you know, hold downs and screws and like just all the things, man. There's just so much stuff over there that I think a cart would be good for that, but I think we're only going to do one cart, and it's going to mainly be like my assembly tool set down, or like my assembly caddy almost. Like wherever I'm assembling or working on something, I'll bring that over. I have a nice space to set some stuff down. Things that I would normally use on every single build will be in the little drawers. I don't know if we'll do that today because I really want to get to carving out what I made in Fusion360 for yesterday's Vlogmas, which happens to be a little wooden tray. And I'm affectionately calling it the EDC Valet Tray, which is, I think, a better marketing way of saying wooden tray. Let me know what you think down below. Before we get out of here, I have to go ahead and go over here and spend some time with my friend, the elliptical trainer. If you unfortunately have to deal with anything with your weight, you know, it's like a lifelong journey or torment, depending on the day. And yeah, so I'm gonna go over there, work out, get that in, shower, get ready. Then I'll pick the camera back up and we'll go out into the world. I don't know if we'll go see the cards today, but we're definitely going to the shop. We're definitely getting some things done. I mean, I promised it yesterday that we're carving out that damn tray. And guess what? We're going to frickin' do it, okay? So with that being said, I better get over here and get my training on. Okay, so I just got done working out. Let me just show you how awesome it is here in Chicago today. Oh yeah, nice and gloomy. What I really wanted to show you is something that we made, I think it was last Vlogmas. It might have even been the first Vlogmas, I'm not sure, but let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. You remember? We designed it in SketchUp. Anyway, I wanted to show you that. I'm gonna go get dressed and we are going to go to the shop. Okay, just got to the shop. I have to show you this. The road in front of the shop is effing crazy. They have these big ass pillars and it's extremely hard to drive. Like, I've seen so many accidents here, but I gotta show you this. Hold on. Can you see this? Okay. You see these pillars? Like, they hold up the L, okay? Which is, you know, the elevated train here in Chicago. Now, look what happened here. I'm gonna try to zoom in. He ends up hitting it. You know, I don't know what the hell happened, but I'm guessing he tried to turn or something. I don't know, man. What a bummer. That's a day ruiner. Maybe a month ruiner. Oh, okay, we made it to the shop. That is a solid as far as I'm concerned. Lots of computer work going on. Hold on. Okay, so what we're gonna do while you're here today is go ahead and export the toolpaths from Fusion360 and we're gonna bring it over to the X-Carve Pro. We're gonna have the X-Carve Pro carve it out and yeah, then we'll have an EDC valet tray. Is that a good enough name? Maybe if you have a better name for it, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. Okay, let's jump into Fusion360. I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna set up this bad boy right here. It's kind of been my makeshift. You remember the table? Love that table. We'll go ahead and set things up here and get the export, and then we will go over all the way over to there. And then maybe in one of the coming Vlogmas, I'll show you the state of the shop and kind of like how things are going. But like I said, first, let's go ahead and jump into Fusion360. Okay, as I was getting ready to do the voiceover, I realized that this by itself could be its own YouTube video. There's so much to get this process correct using Fusion360, and to be completely fair, I am probably not the right person to be doing it. So I did want to show the process though, and kind of how you go from, you know, having all the manufacturer stuff done to getting the post process done, which is getting the G code that you will then use in the G code sender to send to your machine, which mine, of course, being the X-Carve Pro. But I think I'll make another video once I have a better handle on it. But I just wanted to show you what the process looks like, and that's why I'm going to keep the clip in right here. Let's get back to the video. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me just show you this little number over here. Another laptop. Yeah, this is the one that runs the CNC machine. It's my old school. It's like, I think it's from like 2011 MacBook Pro. Still working hard. It's probably the best laptop I've ever owned, honestly. Anyway, okay, let's go ahead and load it up and take a peek at this first. We got this piece down. This measures something like 11 1/4 or something like that by, I would guess, probably a little over 2 feet. So let's go ahead and get it loaded. She's a little dusty, but she's still rocking. She's still got it. Okay, well, this thing homes. Let me show you something cool. Alexa, turn on dust collector. How cool is that? Tell me, how cool is that? We're almost done homing. what the hell am I doing in my workshop? We got this bad boy rocking and rolling, that clamped down. We're recording for Vlogmas, and we're about ready to make a carve, so let's get after it. Everything looks fantastic. Look at that bowl cut. It's going. No! No! Ah! Son of a gun. Okay, well, that was very unfortunate. That was a bummer. And just another reason why woodworking, even with this badass machine, is extremely humbling sometimes. Like, I mean, you hate to see it. You hate to see it. Like, you do. You don't. I mean, like, yeah, it's probably, like, I'll find a way. I'll find a way to make this work. Like, maybe we cut out, like, a piece that fits perfectly in there. That's a future Griffin problem, because current Griffin's really tired, and it's getting really late. In fact, I don't think I'm even going to be able to edit Vlogmas day number 7 right now. Like, well, I'm so sorry. This is a bummer. It is a straight bummer. But tomorrow's a new day, and if you like this video, make sure you like it down below. If you want to see if I ever get this tray cut perfectly, like it's supposed to the accuracy that this machine can do, make sure that you're subscribed. And that's it for day number 7 of Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow.